Hi, my name is Reginald Woodard. Thank you for joining me. We are going to go through a few tutorials and information about PreSonus Studio One. So what is Studio One? Studio One is a digital audio workstation, a recording software similar to GarageBand or Pro Tools. The neat thing about this is that it's absolutely free. There's a version, as you know of, from PreSonus.com that will enable us to get going. Now in these tutorials, I'm going to be using the professional version of Studio One with many more features. However, the things that I will show you will also be able to be used in the free version, so no worries. So let's get going. Now that you follow the directions to download and install Studio One from PreSonus' website, and you follow the instructions to create or to start your song, I'm going to show you how the interface works and how it's set up. So first, you can tell this large area is basically the workstation area. That's where all the work happens. To the bottom, there's a number of things that are important. First, there is the transport bar, which is your stop and your play button, record, your loop set, rewind, fast forward, and those things. And we'll be interacting with those buttons here in the tutorial. The next important thing is the tempo, which we will manipulate the tempo to match our files that we're going to be using. So that's what's happening at the bottom of the screen. To the right is our browser window. And we know that's our browser because this button Browse is highlighted. This window will enable us to drag and drop instruments and sounds into our workstation area. So that's how Studio One is set up. Now let's start creating and getting things into our workstation area and making some music.